guys, welcome back to Navani. Today let's talk about the basic difference between two terms, tumor and cancer. Now the general misconception is when we use the term tumor, we think it's a cancer. But in fact, tumor does not necessarily mean cancer, right? Tumor, which is also known as neoplasm, is an abnormal mass of a tissue, which is produced due to the abnormal growth of a tissue. So as a result of this abnormal growth of a tissue at a particular site in the body, it is going to appear as a lump. And this is what we call a tumor. Now it is not necessary that all the tumors are cancerous. Okay, there are two types of tumors. One is benign tumors. This means they are non-progressive. What this means is benign tumors are limited to a certain part in the body. Wherever there is a benign tumor, it is going to limit its growth at that particular site only. It is not going to spread from its primary site to any other part of the body. Okay, it cannot metastasize. That means it is not going to spread anywhere else in the body. And such tumors are not cancerous because they are not going to spread anywhere else. We will not call them cancerous. They can be removed by surgery because it is located at one particular site. They can be removed by surgery. And the second type of tumor called malignant tumor. Now these tumors are cancerous because they have the ability to metastasize. That means they can spread from its primary site to any other part of the body. So malignant tumors can spread, and that is why they are cancerous. So when tumor is detected, it is very important to do the biopsy of the tumor in order to understand whether it's a benign tumor or it's a malignant tumor. If it's a benign tumor, no problem, it can be removed surgically, it is not going to spread. But if it's a malignant tumor, it's a malignant condition, it's a cancerous condition which needs special attention. On the other hand, the term cancer we use to describe the uncontrolled growth of a cell.